Treasury says putting public finances on sound footing is essential and may be one of the most critical tasks government has at the moment. It says public debt has the potential to destabilize the economy and to slow growth. The economic challenges were already there before COVID-19 came and made things even worse. Weak economic performance has meant low tax revenue against increased spending commitments.
We're spending 30 billion rand more than 25 billion rand more than what we're spending on health towards debt service cost. Debt service cost per year amounts to around 270 billion. We are spending, the total health budget is around 249 billion. Think about it, 20 plus billion more. Now, it is an important thing to focus on. How do we reduce debt? How do we ensure that we don't create intergenerational imbalances because our debt is too high and we are actually burdening future generations with the debt that currently we accumulate.
Deputy Minister David Masondo says one of the strategies to try and close the gap between spending and revenue was to increase taxes, which also included raising the value-added tax. But economic growth continued to decline, which meant tax revenue kept coming in lower than expected. He says the National Treasury began to worry that raising taxes may even contribute to growth slowdown, which is why this year's budget offered some tax relief.
When you still need to borrow more and more, you lose credibility in the capital market, and you have to pay higher interest rates when you borrow. That's what the downgrades of our credit rating reflected. Buyers of our South African debt were worried that we may be overextending ourselves.
With salaries taking a lion's share of the total fiscus, Treasury says it is not possible to curtail spending without dealing with the public sector wage bill. Gloria Sifakomosi, SABC News, Johannesburg.